100% free, 100% unlimited. And yet, this solution remains surprisingly unknown to most people. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to access GROK AI, one of the most powerful AI video generators out there, completely for free, with no watermark, no restrictions, and no subscription whatsoever. All in just a few clicks from your phone or your computer. If you truly want to level up your content creation and unlock the full power of generative artificial intelligence, I invite you to stay with me until the very end of this video. What you're about to discover today has the potential to completely change the way you create content. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. The tool we are going to explore together in this tutorial is called GeminiGen AI. This is the platform that will give us free and unlimited access to GROK AI. You can find it easily by doing a quick search from your browser, whether on mobile or on desktop. Once you land on the platform, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface. The very first thing you need to do is create an account or log in. You have two options available: a quick sign-in using your Google account or a classic registration with your email address. The whole process takes only a few seconds. I'll go ahead and log in on my end, and we'll continue together. Once logged in, you'll notice that the platform assigns you 40 credits. I want to clarify that these credits are purely indicative. The tool remains completely free to use. You'll also notice that the interface is available in multiple languages, depending on your location, making it immediately accessible and easy to navigate. In the main menu, go ahead and select Video Gen. At this point, you have direct access to GROK, and you can clearly see that it is listed as free. There are also other free AI models available on the platforms such as Veo 3, Sora 2, as well as ByteDance, Meta AI, and Kling, which is coming soon to the platform. Now let's get into it and create our first video with GROK. The GROK model is selected by default. You then have access to several generation settings. Generation mode. I'll select normal mode for this example. Resolution, from 480p up to 720p. Duration, between 6 and 10 seconds depending on your needs. I paste my generation prompt. I set the resolution to 720p, and you can see that the generation costs 0 credits. I click on Generate with GROK. A simple anti-robot verification is required. Once validated, the generation starts. Let me show you the result right away. The video has been successfully generated. You can then download it, regenerate it, or even extend it if you wish. Let's take it even further. I'm now going to add a reference image to visually guide the generation. My prompt: dimly lit room, slow-moving ink brush on parchment, faint distant sound of wind through bamboo. I click on Generate, and here is the result. You can see for yourselves, the output is absolutely stunning. And all of this for free, with no subscription and no watermark. Guys, on this platform you can generate images, speeches, dialogues, and you can even access a direct AI chat, all of this completely free and unlimited. There's nothing complicated about it. Just sign in with your email address, get your 40 free credits as an indicator, and you're ready to go. You can also find all your previously created videos directly in your account's history. I wasn't able to test every single feature of this tool in this video, which is why I strongly encourage you to try it out for yourself and share your feedback in the comments below. I genuinely want to hear your thoughts. If this video brought you value, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, drop a comment and let me know what you think. The direct link to the platform is available in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you very soon.